should we go for our vacation?
How about the mountains?
Should we book flights or drive there?
Let's book flights to save time.
Do we need to apply for a visa?
Yes, it's required for international travel.
What's the best time to visit this place?
Spring is the best season to go.
Should we book a hotel in advance?
Yes, it's better to plan ahead.
What time do we need to check in?
At least 2 hours before the flight.
Where is our departure gate?
It's gate 23 on the right.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, I downloaded it on my phone.
Should we grab something to eat before boarding?
Yes, there's time for a quick snack.
How long is the flight?
About 4 hours.
Do you want the aisle or window seat?
I'll take the window seat.
Can I store my bag in the overhead bin?
Yes, there's plenty of space.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I'll have some water, please.
Should we watch a movie during the flight?
Yes, let's pick one together.
Is this your first time flying?
No, but I still get a little nervous.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name John Smith.
What time is check-in?
It's at 2 p.m.
Should we ask for a room with a view?
Yes, that would be nice.
Is breakfast included in our stay?
Yes, it's complimentary.
Where is the nearest tourist spot from here?
It's just a 10-minute walk.
Should we take a bus tour?
Yes, it's a great way to see everything.
Do you want to visit the museum first?
Sure, I love museums.
Where should we go for lunch?
Let's try a local restaurant.
Is there a market nearby?
Yes, it's famous for handmade souvenirs.
Should we buy tickets for the concert tonight?
Yes, it'll be a fun experience.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
It's down the street on the left.
How far is the train station from here?
About a 15-minute walk.
Should we take a taxi to the hotel?
Yes, it's more convenient.
Is this the right platform for our train?
Yes, it should arrive in 5 minutes.
Can you show me how to get to this address?
Sure, just go straight and turn right.
What's the local specialty here?
It's seafood, especially grilled fish.
Should we try the street food?
Yes, it looks fresh and delicious.
Is this restaurant popular with locals?
Yes, it's highly recommended.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, let's try the local sweets.
How do you say thank you in their language?
It's gracias.
Should we take a guided tour?
Yes, we'll learn more that way.
Do you want to take some photos here?
Yes, the view is amazing.
How much is the entrance fee?
It's $10 per person.
Should we rent an audio guide?
Yes, it'll explain the history better.
Is this the famous landmark we heard about?
Yes, it's the most visited spot in the city.
What kind of souvenirs should we buy?
Let's get magnets and postcards.
How much is this handmade bag?
It's $25, but we might be able to bargain.
Should we buy gifts for friends back home?
Yes, small items like keychains are perfect.
Is this shop popular among tourists?
Yes, it has great reviews online.
Should we pay in cash or card?
Cash is better in small shops.
What time is our flight back?
It's at 9 p.m. tonight.
Should we leave early for the airport?
Yes, to avoid traffic.
Do we have space in our bags for souvenirs?
Yes, I made some room.
How was the trip overall?
It was amazing. I had a great time.
Should we plan our next vacation soon?
Yes, let's start looking for new places.